Wow. Look at this piece of jewelry. It's like a polished ruby. Body off frame restored Pro Touring. It has a new crate LS3 motor under the hood making 525 horsepower. The 4L60E overdrive automatic, 373 posi, big disc brakes all around, full custom interior. The color is a knockout. This thing's really something. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and the monthly payment, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, you know this color is going to kill it. Out in the sunlight, anywhere you go with this, to a car show, to get ice cream, people are going to flock to it. So it's a beautiful candy red metallic. It's laid out real nicely. The stripes are painted on, and it has a really wet clear coat finish. All this is real nice. The hood lines up straight, doors line up straight, smooth and clean to the bottom. No vinyl top, just all nice, lines up nice and straight. All new weather strips. The doors fit real nice, but you have to give them a firm close. Up on the roof, I'm super fussy. It's got a little texture to it. Probably be wet sanded out a little better. All this is looking really good. This is all looking good. The color, whoo, knockout. I like the stripes, and you notice the interior is the same color combination. But all this is looking good. Looking down the side of the car, it's straight. Coming up the sail panel, other than a hairline crack behind the little gutter here, this is all real nice. Forgot to point out on the other side, there was a couple, like 3 little tiny chips on the quarter panel. Same thing with this door. It shuts, lines up real nice. Let's give it a firm close. Fender's looking real good. No emblems on the fender. It is an SS hood. So yeah, the paint and the color, beautiful. Up front here, it's got halogen headlights. The bumper is at least a 9 out of 10. It looks new. The lenses look new. The grille looks to be very nice. The windshield was recently replaced. The moldings, rain gutter trim, that all looks new. Door handles, mirrors were replaced. Sitting on new, when I say new, this is, as of right now, like 1,440 miles on the odometer. New BFG G-Force tires, 17-inch Ridler chrome wheels, some really nice looking wheels and tires on there. Could be a little wider in the back, it looks like. The rear window was replaced. Back here, everything looks new. The trim, the tail lights, the bumper, that all looks really nice and bright and shiny and new. This trim has been replaced. So yeah, isn't that stunning? Two little bumps right up here. All right, let's open it up. I'll show you that matching interior and the LS3 motor under the hood. All right, let's see what it looks like. So this has been repainted. It's not pristine, but it's nice, and the jamb looks nice, and the weather strip is replaced. Inside is solid with the gray spatter finish. You could dress this up. You could box it and upholster it. This mat, I was thinking of throwing it away, but hey, it serves a purpose. It's a breathable, heavy-duty mat if you want to set something in there. Until you decide what you want to do with the trunk, we'll just leave it there. Yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel and go to volocars.com. You'll be amazed at the cool stuff we have. The jambs were painted. They did a good job. Weather strips were replaced. I mentioned that earlier. Guy said he spent 10 grand on a TMI interior. Look at those cool molded door panels. You got the red stitching. You got the little eyelets, new handles. Matches the red and gray on the outside. So the dash pad is new. The instrument panel is all custom. Got a really nice looking set of AutoMeter gauges. And the rest of the gauge pack is down here. The heater control panel looks new. That's a Bluetooth stereo. That's new. It has a little auxiliary plug as well. It's got an amplifier. It's got 6x9s in back, and it has these speakers in the kick panels. Nothing in the glove box. You'll just see wiring in that because the aftermarket air takes up room, so you couldn't fit the glove box liner. Fresh, bright red carpets, reproduction mats, custom center console, upholstered and stitched like the car. You got the staple shifter. You got one cup holder. This one here doesn't fit a cup holder because the cable for the shifter is there. It does have an armrest. That's nice. A lot of these aren't high enough to use the armrest. And then check out the seats. Nice sport seats. You got the red and gray. You got the eyelets. That's all looking real good. In back, the seats match the front seats. It is a bench seat, but it has the same pattern, nice contour, same panels on the side. Pretty cool interior. All nice red seat belts throughout. The rear tray looks good, and the trimmer on the window, and then we got a nice headliner that looks like it's been replaced. Working dome light, shoulder belts. The visors look real good. The mirror's probably been replaced. And that's a pretty sharp looking steering wheel mounted on a tilt column. He also told me he put the sound deadener everywhere, the floors, inside the doors, and up in the ceiling, so it's all wrapped or covered in sound deadener. Seats are comfy. So this is a new crate motor. This is not a junkyard motor from a used car. It's an LS3 making 525 horsepower. You can see it's got some really nice looking cast aluminum valve covers painted to match the car and the intake cover, stainless steel headers, smooth firewall. All this is painted body color. The front of the engine is a CVF front runner system, so there's all the billet brackets and pulleys with the serpentine belt, mini polished compressor, polished alternator, you got power steering down there, big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, washer bottle, power brakes, and then CVF billet hinges. Not only do they look really sharp, they just work so smooth. You can tell immediately when you open a hood with those. All right, Michael's going to show you how fun it is to drive this car, and I'll see you back in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, I'm feeling really good in this car right here. This interior, holy cow. So comfortable but supportive at the same time with all these bolsters and everything like that. Really keep you nestled in place nicely. This feels fantastic. Got a fuel injected 6.2 liter under the hood. I think that's rated at 525 horsepower if I remember correctly. And it is fuel injected. So if you're looking for a car that you can just get in and put a lot of miles on, enjoy driving it, this may be a very good option for you. It also does have the 6L80E automatic overdrive transmission. So highway cruising should be a breeze in this one. And little things. Nice to have this center console here with the storage and then an armrest. That's always a nice benefit. It does have power steering, four-wheel disc brakes all the way around. So, got a little traffic here. Now, let's see what she's got. Yeah, we just eased into it there, and yeah, what a heck of a good time. This thing pulls hard. I wasn't even barely halfway on the throttle. Really quick, great performer, and yeah, this one will do everything you want. front end feels good too. And this is all a you know, custom suspension. See how nice and straight it goes down the road there. That proves to you that all the Pro Touring upgraded components are set up the right way, and that's just fantastic. So check out all the details at volocars.com and come take it for a test drive. It's a heck of a good time. We'd love to see you.
So this was body off the frame restored at one time. The underbody is all metal, painted silver. Matter of fact, the frame and chassis is painted silver. Up front, it has new tubular upper and lower control arms, coilover adjustable gas shocks. That's recently been redone. In back, it has new springs. It has a sway bar, disc brakes at all four wheels. Guy said he spent a lot of money on the brakes. They're kind of high end. They're called Master Power. They got big drilled and slotted discs and billet aluminum calipers. It looks like 6-piston in front. They're really big calipers, and drilled and slotted disc in back with 4-piston calipers. Nice dual exhaust system, stainless mufflers, SS tips. The fuel system was replaced. It's all compatible with the fuel-injected motor. You look up at the motor, you're just looking at an aluminum engine with a high-torque starter. The 4L60E automatic trans was also bought brand new, not a used one or a rebuilt one. The guy just rebuilt the rear end. He said everything inside of it's new. It's a 12-bolt, 373 posi, has an aluminum girdle cover on it. So although this is not a perfect car, it's a really nice car. It's got the look, it's got the performance, the colors, the interior, got a lot of stuff really going for it. You can go to volocars.com. If you want to be the center of attention anywhere you go, talk to the salesman. They'll answer your questions, like how you're going to get your 69 Chevelle delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.